Another way we overcome burnout is we have to talk about hobbies and joy. Do you remember what you used to like to do as a kid? Do you remember what you used to do when nobody was looking, when you were just enjoying yourself? Those are the things we want to invest in when we're overcoming burnout. If you ever look at a kid, if you ever watch children, watch how they engage with their hobbies. They lose time. They're completely invested in it. It's all they're doing in the moment. Reinvesting in your hobbies and joy is how you overcome burnout. I know somebody watching this was an artist. Somebody watching this was a dancer. Somebody watching this was a singer. There's a version of yourself that needs to be nourished in overcoming burnout. So reclaiming your hobbies, getting back into those things is so important. And your moments of joy. The way I think about joy is little J joy and big J joy. Big J joy is those things that you plan, that you anticipate, that you're looking forward to. So a big J joy might be a cruise that you're going to go on with your family. You need to have those in your life. But little J joy are the moments throughout your day that you feel a sense of joy. Those little moments throughout your day that make you smile. Those are the moments we want to rest in and notice. One thing we know about the mind is what we notice expands and it grows. So when we're in those moments of joy, if we can notice them and let that moment expand, that's another way that we overcome burnout, is by focusing on the joy. Joy is one of those things that we miss out on when we're so exhausted and we're burnt out and we can't really do the things we love to do. So reinvesting in your hobbies and your joy, that is the way that you overcome burnout.